Hi everyone, this is Tech Time. My name is Katherine. I'm one of the reference librarians at the Haverford Township Free Library. Today I'm going to show you a little bit about Google Slides, which is very similar to Microsoft PowerPoint, but this one's free. So you're going to go to drive.google.com and log into your Google or your Gmail account. It's the same thing. And then you can either, if you're creating one from scratch, you can click up here on New and then choose Google Slides down on the bottom of the list with the yellow icon. Or if you've already got one started, which I do, you can double click on that to open it. So I'm going to open test presentation. If you start a new one, it just won't have any color or words in it. It'll just be some blank squares. And you can start adding from there. So you can see this one has got some text here. It's loading, so I can't click on it just yet. It's got a theme in the background. It offers a whole bunch of different themes that you can add for your slideshow. So let's click here on this first slide. And I'm going to click on theme up here at the top. So you can change the background color even once you've chosen a theme. You can choose the layout for your slides. So maybe this title slide looks like this. They call it title slide. You can do a section header. You can do just some text and body and so on. So that's the layout. I'm going to click on theme and it's going to bring this up over here. So you can scroll through, choose any theme you'd like. Maybe you want to change it to this one and it'll keep your text, but it may change the font based on the theme. It'll change the background, the graphics, and things like that. So I'm going to scroll through some more. You can see there's a whole bunch. I'm going to change it back to my old one. You can also click on transition. So you can make some different kinds of transitions between the slides. So this one, I'm going to have it dissolve. I'll show you. I'll click play right down here at the bottom. And you can see that's how it'll fade in on this slide. So for this next one, I'm going to click over here. I've got another slide. Going to click right here. You can see you've got just a header and some text. Another thing you can do is you can click insert up here on the toolbar and choose image and either upload from computer or search the web or your Google Drive. You can add photos. So I'm going to click on upload from computer and choose this nice picture of my dog Jasper. We're going to add that in. Gives it just a second to create the image in a way that will fit in the slide presentation. So hold on just a second for that. There it is. You can also rotate it. So I'm going to click, right click on that and rotate 90 degrees clockwise a couple times just to make it right side up. And one more time. And then you can click until you, or hold your mouse just over this corner thing here and click, hold, and drag in to resize it so he fits a little bit better in there. You can move it around, put it anywhere you want, keep resizing it, and then you've got a nice picture or graphic in your slide. You can choose another slide, or another transition rather, for this slide. So when we're going from the title slide to this next text slide, I'm going to choose fade, and then I'll click play just to show you what that looks like. So we'll click there. It fades in. It's not as dramatic as dissolve. Let's see what else we've got. We can do flip. I'll click play. So it flips from one slide to the next. You can play around with those. They're a lot of fun to fool with. You can, as always, change the text in each of your text boxes. So I'm going to click here. You can change the font, the size of the font. If you click here, there's some more options. So bold, italic, underline, color, highlight, just like in Google Docs. Slides gives you a lot of freedom to create a slideshow the way you want it to look. So play around with it, have some fun, and hopefully it works well for you. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and take care.